don't know if cute's the right word you want, but it's cute.
Wait a minute. And then there's the one you can stand up in. I like it. Yeah, one version of the Venturous, you can put a tent on there, but they also have one that is like the same size as mine, but it's higher and the axle is more durable to take off-road. And see these, pretty awesome. This is I think this is 8x4 or 6, yeah, 8x4. Yeah, I considered it because it was cheaper, but I was like, I don't want the smaller one. I want what I want. It's supposed to be fixed.
What's that?
The lights are supposed to be fixed.
Alright, we'll find out real quick. So just go ahead and turn it over and then turn your running lights on. I don't know if you have automatic lights.
I do.
Turn it to where the doors, okay. The handle lock is on the handle. The deadbolt is the other one.
Okay.
And all the doors. Some of them are flipped because of which side they're on. Always, always, always lock the deadbolt. I don't care about this one. As a matter of fact, I never lock it. It's irrelevant.
Okay.
And it's also hard to tell whether or not you've got the deadbolt on or you've got this one locked.
Right.
But either way, it's not an if, it's a when. If you do not lock this deadbolt, the door will come open when you're driving.
Ooh.
You'll stop
Yeah.
somewhere and you'll see it go. These are not made to hold it closed. These are made to be a functional door handle.
Right, okay.
This deadbolt is meant to work because this doesn't. That's its job. So whenever you drive away, 100%, always double check that. You grab it by the center shaft right here, and pull it towards the center, and it'll lock it back into place. And this right here, you can listen down wherever you want it. All the way down, halfway down, whatever. And you release it right here. Put it back in place. Back out. Back in. There you go.
Okay.
That's the magic. Any questions about any of that?
No.
Get out of here then.
Woohoo! Got my RangeRunner.
Your new camper.
Okay, I've been talking camper for years. And I've looked at a lot of different types of campers. And finally I came upon Runaway RangeRunner, and I've been talking about it, and now it's happened. I've got the RangeRunner, and I'm looking forward to making payments. I'm looking forward to having fun camping. Woohoo!